This video will be to review subtracting integers. When you have a problem like -5 minus a -6, you cancel or bloop bloop here and here, making the problem -5 plus 6. You then follow the rules of adding integers, which are if the signs are different, subtract. They are different because the 5 is negative, the 6 has no sign, which means it's positive. Therefore, you have 6 minus 5 is 1, and there are more positives than negatives, so it will be a positive 1, and 1 is your answer. Let's say we have a positive number first, and we still have a bloop bloop situation here. We bloop bloop so that it's 10 plus 3. They're all positives. That equals 13. Let's do one more with bloop bloop. Let's say there's -7 minus a -2. These two bloop. Now you have -7 plus 2, which is adding numbers with different signs. Subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5, and the answer is negative because there were more negatives than positives to start with. The answer is -5. Sometimes the hardest problems look like this. -8 minus 3. We add the opposite. This is like -8 plus a -3, and therefore we add the numbers and keep the sign. Let's try it again. -6 minus 10. This is the same as adding the opposite. -6 plus a -10. Add the numbers, keep the sign. -16. And you know how to do it when it's 10 take away 18, for example. You're taking away more than you have, so you can add the opposite and now apply the rules of adding integers, adding numbers with different signs, so we subtract them, and there are more negatives to start with, therefore the answer is a -8.